Alright everybody, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're doing a quick little update. Alright, so the previous video was just a walkthrough of what the property looked like when I bought it. Let's walk through now, see a few changes that we've made, updates, improvements, and there's still a lot of work to do, but I'm about 3 weeks in. It is only me working on this place, so it is a little bit slower than I wanted. My help actually got hired at a different job, so it's just me, but we're staying on schedule and hope to get this done in no more than 2 weeks. So let's go see the work that we've done. So if you remember this room in here, all we've done so far really is rip up the floor, but the big change is there's no more holes in the ceiling or the wall. We've also textured the ceiling and put up a new ceiling fan. This room is actually just about ready for paint and floor, so pretty good there. And then we walk back into here, which is the living room, and not sure you could see really in the previous video, but I did speak on it for a minute. This window right back here was broken. Due to just the supply chain issues, I decided to put in two small windows instead of one large window. These are just in-stock size windows at any of your big box hardware store. So that's what I chose to do there. And then I reframed it out to match the old style frame here. We still need a little bit of crown up on top, but that will come. We also put in a new door. Again, this needs crown up on top as well. But instead of changing all the trim to look modern, we're just gonna go with a traditional look. So in here, we still need floor, but the ceiling is fixed. I don't know if you remember that big crack through it. I ended up having to take out a 4x8 sheet of drywall and putting a new sheet up there. So that is lath and plaster. We had to keep breaking it down until there was no loose spots. So that's all new up there. The texture, the fan looks really good. And then we go through here into what will be a dining room. And again here, I decided to rip out the old trim and kind of trim out the new window. Or these windows were here, they are newer, but I just put new drywall up on this wall because the old wall was really bad. Reframed out the window in that same traditional frame. And then the big change is the shiplap wall. That wall over here was really bad as well. And just to give it some character, I decided to go with shiplap. I also put in a new window back in there. The other one was broken. And again, we went with the same traditional frame around. So then we go into the kitchen. Everything's primed right now, but let's see. This whole kitchen wall back here is tiled. There'll also be a couple floating shelves right here. But it turned out really good, so I'm not sure if you can see the tile. It's kind of like a bamboo-ish looking, what is that, 3x12 tile. So I think it looks nice. It's a little something different that I usually wouldn't put in my own house, but then we went with a white shaker style cabinets. These will have black knobs to kind of match the stainless and black appliances. We got a big basin sink, and we went with quartz countertop, which is something that I don't usually do. I usually would do concrete or something cheaper, but like I said, since this is an Airbnb and it's pretty small, we can kind of splurge. This is a great company. I just found this company through a mutual friend. They gave me a great price on this piece of granite, or on this piece of quartz. I also have one more piece of quartz that's gonna go on this wall. There will be like a 15-inch cabinet here, 15-inch upper, a 30-inch microwave, and then a stove. So that's what that'll be. So if you guys want any granite or quartz and you're in the Cleveland or the surrounding area, check this place out right here. Randy was super helpful. They beat prices of everyone around. So when you find someone good, it's not just based on price. They were super quick. I ordered this and got it installed in the same exact week. So that's super awesome. It was 4 days. They gave me a great price, super professional, left the place spotless. Highly recommend. Check them out. All right, and then we walk through here. Remember, this used to be a bathroom in here. There's literally nothing anymore. But I did get a new window installed and this back wall tiled. So we're gonna do something a little bit different in this bathroom. These niches right here will have black herringbone tile. I already do have it picked out, it's just not here. And then there'll be a vessel, like a freestanding tub there. It won't have a shower. As you can see, that's green board, that's not cement board. There'll be no plumbing in the wall. It'll come out of the floor and just spout and have a handheld shower. So it's something a little different. I probably wouldn't put that in a normal home, but like I said, this is an Airbnb, or will be, so I'm super happy with spending a little more, doing something a little different to make my property stand out among the others. So, and then upstairs, we didn't really do anything. We can go up there for shits and giggles, but nothing really has been done up here besides I put in a new window. And when I say I put in a new window, all these windows also got framed with matching frames on the outside. So, like I said, nothing really new up here. Let's go back down. And let's go back in here real quick. I'll show you a little glimpse of the floor. We went with this life-proof, 100%, zero worries. This is kind of like top of the line flooring. Again, I probably wouldn't put this in a normal rental, but I want something that stands up, something that looks good, and something that I don't have to worry about anymore. You can see the color, it's like a dark, what do they call it? Something walnut. Seaside oak, actually. So that floor will be throughout the entire house and even in the bathroom. So we will be waterproofing the floor in the bathroom and putting that plank down. Again, not something I would recommend doing in a home that had everyday use. But I think it's gonna look really nice. It's a little something different that I wanna try. And there's no harm in trying. So we're gonna waterproof the floor with a liquid membrane, then lay that floor down, which is 100% waterproof, and see how it works. So that is the entire progress. Like I said, this has been about 3 weeks of work. It might not look like much, but there's been a lot of work done. Again, it's only me, and I'm happy with it. So hopefully in a couple weeks I'll have another video where I can show you everything done, and then we'll make a video of us staging it, making it look really nice, and we'll keep you in tune. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. We'll see you in the next one. Peace.